Hello everyone. When we last left off, in phase 2, we had a pause program. Then what we did was that we changed the parameters of pause program so that it took in a function. It had a string as a result. We paused the program successfully, and then we generate the code, and then we print the generated code, and then we executed that generated code. We hard coded it last time. This time we're going to actually write some basic IR code for just empty functions. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna have an empty string. In the pause function, what we're gonna do, we're gonna return a string. So what we want to do is that we want to return a function. So functions are declared with func main something parameters list followed by percent end func, like that. So we want to follow this sort of pattern. So I'm going to do a let code equal to string from like that. Let code string mute code string equals that. We're going to add the func main. So identifier name. So code plus equals format. This little command, what it does is that it creates a string formatted in a particular way. It formatted according to, yeah. It creates a string formatted according to what is inside the quotes. And then at the very end of the loop, what we're gonna do is we're gonna have code plus equals end func, like that. And then we're just going to concatenate the string. Then we're gonna just return the code. Let's see. Let's check. Okay. Identifier. Name. Yeah. Small misspelling. Okay, yeah. So far what we did for pause function, we just returned an empty function. We returned the function header and then the end func. So in the pause program where pause function is called, we're gonna get some value. So we're gonna get function IR code, and then we're just gonna take the IR code and plus equals the func IR code, like that. Mute, yeah. Mute. Yep. Okay, and with that being said, we generated some code for empty functions. So if I go to the examples and I go to function where we have multiple functions, like that, we run examples. We have function. Yeah. It didn't generate the correct code because I forgot the new line at the end func. So if I added a new line like that, we paused the function, we paused the IR correctly, so we have basically examples function like that. We have add, mult, foo, and main. So we have add, mult, foo, and main. Just like that. I'm just gonna add another new line just for aesthetic purposes. So we cargo run examples func.tt. We have add, mult, foo, and main, and that corresponds to add, mult, foo, and main, the high level language.